welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share this look with you because number one, it took me 3 hours. Number two, it is a collaboration with an amazing girl. She's so talented. That collaboration is on Instagram, so make sure to go check that out. And three, I feel like I'm the cutest little freaking thing in the whole entire world right now. This video is not part of my 31 days of Halloween. You guys are getting away with a lot this year because I've just come up with so many ideas to the point where like I have to put some of them out before Halloween. This is ridiculous. So as of right now, there's gonna be like 34 videos, Halloween videos up for you guys, and that's insanity, and I'm going a little crazy, so it's okay. I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. With that being said, this is the look that we are going for today. We have kind of like a cut crease and some cute little candy corn freckles. I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you did, or if you do, or if you like it thus far, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to learn how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, we're jumping into it. I'm starting off with the Suva Beauty Block Party Palette. There is a beautiful matte white in here, and we're using that on the inner corners of our eyes. And you'll see in this candy corn look, you guys, yeah, I know. You'll see at the end. I know I put the wrong colors in order, but it's okay. We're going into the yellow. I used a little bit of the yellow from the Block Party palette and a little bit from Sugar Pill, and then I used a Sugar Pill matte orange shadow for the outer corner. Now we're gonna go into the cut crease in a second. I'm using the Born This Way concealer. I actually suggest using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. That's usually what I use, but I just decided to use this because it was right there and on my desk. It wasn't horrible, but it was a little patchy on top of shadows. Though I like it as a concealer, I don't know about doing it like using as a cut crease concealer. So I went ahead and did this cut crease, and I actually did it differently on both eyes. Same look, but different steps. I actually did the shadows first and kind of left some negative space in between the shadows. I actually suggest doing it by doing the little line first, which you'll only get a little small snippet of because your girl was really bad at filming today on this day that I filmed this, and I'm so sorry for that. But it's essentially what you see right here. I didn't do anything crazy. I just did your normal cut crease. I would just suggest doing the top part of the cut crease first, then cutting the crease, then going into that glitter and paint to create that line, and then going into the shadows, because on my right eye I did all the shadows first and then the line, and it got a little crazy. So I just finished off the eyes as you saw. We're moving on to the face. I'm using the Amazing Cosmetics Bronze Illuminating Primer and then the Tarte Smoothing Primer. We're using the Cover FX Power Play Foundation in N40, and then we're gonna jump over to concealer, and you guys are gonna see the video on this concealer really soon. I'm going to be using the Jouer brand new concealer. It launches on October 2nd. You'll see that it is super freaking full coverage. I was very surprised that it didn't end up looking cakey because of how full coverage it is, and you can literally see how full coverage it is because I had to go back into my foundation so that I could even it out. But it looks really great. Then I used some Cover FX powder all over my face, bronze it up with this Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. And then we had to add some orange blush. This is my favorite orange blush. It's from NYX. It is called Cinnamon. We're just putting that on the apples of the cheeks, and then we're spraying the whole face with the Pixie Glow Mist and adding some highlighters from Artist Couture and Physicians Formula. I finished off the eyes, and then we put on some glitter because, I mean, why not? Now we're moving on to the little candy corns. I'm just drawing out the candy corns. I'm using the Hydra Liner from Suva Beauty in white. This is probably the best thing you can use for this, or maybe face paint. It made it so easy, and I'm actually using a really thin paintbrush from Michaels. Not a makeup brush, a paintbrush. So we're basically done with this tutorial, and I realized that candy corn is actually white, orange, yellow. Really? Look! Okay, it still looks like candy corn, I know. See, there you go. I told you. I finally realized that I did the wrong shape, but at least we got the little candy corns right. This was also another part that I really didn't get on camera. I don't know what was going on, but I think it was just so early, like it was literally 2 o'clock in the morning when I was filming this, 2 o'clock in the morning. So you guys get the gist though. I just drew out the candy corns in white and then I filled them in with orange and yellow, put a couple little dots around, and then I'm just going to be filling in my lips with the MAC Cosmetics Strip Down Liner. Then I'm using this beautiful liquid lipstick from CoverGirl and topping it off with this beautiful Jouer lip topper in Gold Digger. And that really completes this look, guys. I hope you like it. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. As always, make sure to subscribe right here in the center and check out all of my other videos, including my 31 days of Halloween and all of my Halloween makeup looks. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and comment your favorite Halloween candy down below. Alright? Okay, let me know you got to the end of this video, okay? Okay. Love you guys. See you soon.